everything is going on record. I am only talking about this.
Insult to the chair. Sir, that should be.
Manya Mantri ji,
examined and
please.
removed.
Manya Mantri ji, move your
Deputy
resolution.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move that the bill further to amend the
आप बिल
Delhi
मूव करते हुए
Police
कुछ बोले.
Establishment Act 1946 be taken into consideration.
जी बिल मूव करते हुए कुछ बोलेंगे.
Sir, as the Deputy Chairman, sir, as you would appreciate, and the members of the August House would also, under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this government has sought to follow a policy of zero tolerance against corruption. And this is evident from the number of steps and number of decisions taken over the last 7.5 years. If you recall, in the very first cabinet meeting held after Shri Modi was sworn in as Prime Minister on the 26th of May 2014,
प्लीज आपस में बात ना करें.
one of the first decisions
जो भी
was
बेल में हमें आ गया अपनी
to
सीट पर जाए.
constitute
अपनी सीट पर
an
जाए.
SIT
प्लेकार्ड लेकर खड़ा होना
to
बेल
investigate into the
बेल में
black
नारे
money.
लगाना ये राज्यसभा के रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर के अगेंस्ट है. प्लीज
The
गो बैक
approach
टू
of
योर
the
सीट्स.
government has been
प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स.
A, to check corruption, and B, to ensure enhanced transparency in the functioning of the government. With these two motives, I have the confidence to say that the Modi government has walked the talk over the last 7 years. This is also borne out by the fact that the Prevention of Corruption Act was amended after 30 long years. It was formulated in 1988, and under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi in 2018, certain amendments were brought in to include provisions which were relevant to the contemporary times and the changing context of the nation. These, for example, included holding the bribe giver also guilty as much as the bribe taker in cases of corruption, also offering certain safeguards to well-performing, honest officers, at the same time also enlarging the gambit of the Anti-Graft Act. And therefore, I think it is in the fitness of things and it is in the same spirit that these amendments are being brought in, because in the recent years, as all of us know, the nation is faced with the triple menace of corruption, black money, and international crime. And this triple menace in turn is linked to another triple menace, which is that of drugs, drug trafficking, terrorism, and criminal offense. All these maladies put together are a threat to the national security and at the same time also a threat to the stability of the financial structure. The methodologies of crime have changed, new technologies have come in. The new methodologies are highly sophisticated, highly structured, and also to a great extent cloaked. And this makes the crime investigation far more difficult task, and therefore these amendments have been brought in. Also because the Financial Action Task Force, of which India is a member country, also expects us to improve the resources for financial crime investigation and the international crime. In India, the tenure so far of the Director CBI was of 2 years with the clause not more than 2 years. So I think contrary to the popular impression that has gone in certain quarters, the amendment does not seek to increase the tenure, rather it seeks to put an embargo on the tenure, which is that of 5 years. The existing law under the DSP Act provides for a tenure not more than 2 years. We are saying tenure, not less than 2 years. We are suggesting a tenure not more than 5 years. So in a way, we are making it more streamlined, more institutionalized and more democratized. At the same time, any extension given wherever.
पुलिस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट पर
हाँ,
दिल्ली पुलिस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट सीबीसी पर आप बोल रहे हैं।
आप
नहीं, नहीं।
प्लीज अपनी सीट पर जाएं,
CBI
सब सुनाई देगा। प्लीज प्लीज अपनी सीट पर जाएं, सब सुनाई देगा।
so
और आप सबने कल बहस में हिस्सा लिया, कितनी अच्छी बहस हुई। प्लीज गो बैक
so
टू
we are instead of
मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है अपनी सीट पर
contrary
जाइए
to
और
the
सुनिए।
popular perception or an impression that the term is being increased, it is rather being limited to 5 years or restricted to 5 years. The extension would be that of 1 year at a term.
प्लीज प्लीज
Yes. And the
दिल्ली
no,
पुलिस
no, I am no. Because he's not listening because he didn't. No, unfortunately, the honourable member is not listening. I am referring to Prevention of Corruption Act. I am referring to Prime Minister Modi, but I am talking of DSP. I am saying DSP. Unfortunately, the honourable member is not able to hear. Either he should put on earphones. Yes, I am talking of Prevention of Corruption Act because that reflects the spirit of Prime Minister Modi of zero tolerance against corruption, and therein emanates the amendment which is related to the director of CBI. So that does not mean that we don't have to talk about it. So what I am trying to say is that contrary to what is being said, we are actually fixing a tenure of 5 years, and each extension will have the reasons put on record and will go through the same selection process. In other words, this process is rather being streamlined contrary to what the honourable member has understood or made out. I wish he could attend it more attentively and therefore would understand what it is all about. And therefore, I request in the spirit of the amendment and the spirit with which it is being brought, the August House will approve of these amendments and allow them a safe passage. Thank you.
Motion moved. There is one amendment by Sri John Brittas. There is one amendment by Sri John Brittas for reference of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha.
Yes, sir,
Mr. John Brittas, are you moving?
sir, I move.
Are you moved? You have moved? You have moved? Are you moving?
Sir, I move the motion to revoke the suspension.
Please, you are not moving the motion which you have given.
Yeah.
It must go on record. You have not moved the motion on this reference of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Bill 2021. I have given you opportunity 3 times, but you have not moved.
अभी जो है डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाएगा अभी स्पीकर देखो
Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi ji, please, your name is here. Please let him listen. Let us listen, Dr. Singhvi.
I need to
Please.
speak when the house is in order. sir.
I am requesting. You can request your members.
House is not in order.
You are not allowing. I must tell you are not allowing.
Order में लाइए.
You people are not allowing your members to speak. Please, let us speak. Please, no. Please, let us hear Dr. Singhvi. Let us hear Dr. Singhvi, please. ये आपके लोग खड़े हैं, आप अपने वापस कराइए. आपके लोग हैं खड़े. आपके लोग खड़े, आप वापस ले जाइए. डॉक्टर सिंघवी, प्लीज.
कैसे बोलूं, हाउस ऑर्डर में नहीं है, अभी ऑर्डर में नहीं है.
लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल डीपी वत्स, प्लीज.
Sabhapati ji, you allowed me to speak on amendment of Delhi